Are you preparing for the ASVAB test and dreaming of a high score that unlocks amazing opportunities in the U.S. Armed Forces? Whether you've just started your journey or you're refreshing your knowledge to crush the test this time, you're in the right place. The ASVAB isn't just any test, it's your gateway to a powerful future, better job roles, exciting career paths, and a strong foundation for the life you've always imagined. But here's the secret: scoring high isn't about luck, it's about strategy, smart practice, and consistency. In this series, we'll dive deep into ASVAB general knowledge questions that sharpen your mind and train you to think fast and accurately, just like on the real test. You'll get clear explanations, step-by-step solutions, and pro tips to boost your confidence with every question. So if you're serious about leveling up your score, hit that subscribe button right now and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a single question. And to stay connected with our daily updates, quizzes, and group discussions, make sure you join our official WhatsApp channel. It's your space to learn, ask, and grow with thousands of other ASVAB learners just like you. Your dream job starts with your next step. Let's take it together, right here on ASVAB Mentor. Question number 151. What part of the cell contains genetic material, DNA? A. Cytoplasm. B. Nucleus. C. Cell membrane. Correct answer: B. Nucleus. The nucleus is the control center of the cell. It stores DNA and directs all cell activities. Question number 152. What gas do humans exhale after respiration? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. Correct answer: B. Carbon dioxide. The body takes in oxygen and releases carbon dioxide as a waste product of respiration. Question number 153. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin K. C. Vitamin D. Correct answer: B. Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a key role in forming proteins needed for blood clotting. Question number 154. What is the basic unit of life? A. Atom. B. Cell. C. Molecule. Correct answer: B. Cell. All living organisms are made up of cells, which perform essential life functions. Question number 155. What part of the human brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum. B. Cerebellum. C. Medulla. Correct answer: B. Cerebellum. The cerebellum helps maintain posture, balance, and smooth body movements. Question number 156. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves? A. Photosynthesis. B. Transpiration. C. Respiration. Correct answer: B. Transpiration. Transpiration is the evaporation of water from plant leaves, helping with cooling and nutrient movement. Question number 157. Which blood cells help defend the body against infection? A. Red blood cells. B. Platelets. C. White blood cells. Correct answer: C. White blood cells. White blood cells are the body's defense system, fighting bacteria, viruses, and other invaders. Question number 158. Which organ filters waste from the blood to produce urine? A. Liver. B. Kidney. C. Stomach. Correct answer: B. Kidney. The kidneys remove waste and excess fluids from the blood to form urine. Question number 159. Which of the following is not a mammal characteristic? A. Warm-blooded. B. Lays eggs. C. Produces milk. Correct answer: B. Lays eggs. Most mammals give live birth and produce milk, while laying eggs is rare. Question number 160. What part of the plant is responsible for photosynthesis? A. Stem. B. Leaves. C. Roots. Correct answer: B. Leaves. Leaves contain chlorophyll, which captures sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. Question number 61. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Stomach. Correct answer: B. Pancreas. The pancreas produces insulin, a hormone that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Question number 162. Which part of the plant anchors it in the soil and absorbs water? A. Stem. B. Roots. C. Leaves. Correct answer: B. Roots. Roots hold the plant steady and take in water and minerals from the soil. Question number 163. Which layer of the earth is made mostly of liquid iron and nickel? A. Crust. B. Outer core. C. Mantle. Correct answer: B. Outer core. The Earth's outer core is liquid and creates the planet's magnetic field. Question number 164. What is the most abundant gas in the Earth's atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Nitrogen. Correct answer: C. Nitrogen. Nitrogen makes up about 78% of the Earth's atmosphere. Question number 165. Which human body system is responsible for transporting nutrients and oxygen? A. Respiratory system. B. Circulatory system. C. Digestive system. Correct answer B. Circulatory system. The circulatory system moves blood, nutrients, and oxygen throughout the body. Question number 166. Which planet is known for its rings? A. Jupiter. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. Correct answer B. Saturn. Saturn is famous for its large and bright ring system made of ice and rock. Question number 167. Which part of the eye controls the amount of light entering? A. Lens. B. Retina. C. Pupil. Correct answer C. Pupil. The pupil adjusts size to regulate how much light enters the eye. Question number 168. What is the primary source of energy for the Earth? A. The moon. B. The sun. C. The oceans. Correct answer B. The sun. The sun provides heat and light energy, driving weather, climate, and life. Question number 169. Which state of matter has a definite shape and volume? A. Gas. B. Liquid. C. Solid. Correct answer C. Solid solids have tightly packed particles, giving them a fixed shape and volume. Question number 170. What part of the human skeleton protects the brain? A. Spine. B. Skull. C. Rib cage. Correct answer skull. The skull encases and protects the brain from injury. Question number 171. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart. B. Skin. C. Liver. Correct answer B. Skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, protecting internal organs and regulating temperature. Question number 172. Which blood cells help fight infections? A. Red blood cells. B. White blood cells. C. Platelets. Correct answer B. White blood cells. White blood cells are part of the immune system and defend against bacteria and viruses. Question number 173. Which part of the plant carries water and nutrients from roots to leaves? A. Stem. B. Flower. C. Fruit. Correct answer A. Stem. The stem supports the plant and transports water, nutrients, and food throughout. Question number 174. Which gas do humans exhale during respiration? A. Nitrogen. B. Carbon dioxide. C. Oxygen. Correct answer B. Carbon dioxide. When we breathe out, we release carbon dioxide as a waste product of respiration. Question number 175. Which planet is closest to the sun? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Earth. Correct answer A. Mercury. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun and has extremely high surface temperatures. Question number 176. Which organ pumps blood throughout the body? A. Brain. B. Heart. C. Lungs. Correct answer B. Heart. The heart is a powerful muscle that keeps blood circulating to deliver oxygen and nutrients. Question number 177. What is the process by which plants make their own food? A. Respiration. B. Photosynthesis. C. Fermentation. Correct answer B. Photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to produce food and oxygen. Question number 178. Which element is essential for human bones and teeth? A. Calcium. B. Iron. C. Sodium. Correct answer calcium. Calcium strengthens bones and teeth and plays a vital role in muscle and nerve function. Question number 179. What do we call animals that eat both plants and meat? A. Herbivores. B. Carnivores. C. Omnivores. Correct answer C. Omnivores. Omnivores consume both plant and animal matter for energy, like humans and bears. Question number 180. Which natural phenomenon is measured using the Richter scale? A. Tornado. B. Earthquake. C. Hurricane. Correct answer B. Earthquake. The Richter scale measures the magnitude of earthquakes and their released energy. Question number 181. Which vitamin is primarily obtained from sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin C. C. Vitamin D. Correct answer C. Vitamin D. The skin produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, which helps the body absorb calcium. Question number 182. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Jupiter. Correct answer A. Mars. Mars appears red due to iron oxide rust on its surface, giving it its famous nickname. Question number 183. What is the basic unit of life? A. Organ. B. Tissue. Cell. Correct answer C. Cell. Cells are the smallest structural and functional units of living organisms. Question number 184. Which process converts water into vapor? A. Condensation. B. Evaporation. C. Precipitation. Correct answer B. Evaporation. Evaporation occurs when heat changes water from a liquid to a gas. Question number 185. Which part of the human brain controls balance and coordination? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Brainstem. Correct answer B. Cerebellum. The cerebellum manages posture, balance, and precise movements. Question number 186. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the ozone layer? A. Troposphere, B. Stratosphere, C. Mesosphere. Correct answer B. Stratosphere. The ozone layer located in the stratosphere protects Earth from harmful UV rays. Question number 187. Which type of rock is formed by cooling and solidification of molten lava? A. Sedimentary, B. Igneous, C. Metamorphic. Correct answer B. Igneous. Igneous rocks form from cooled magma lava like granite and basalt. Question number 188. Which organ in the human body filters blood to produce urine? A. Liver, B. Kidneys, C. Lungs. Correct answer B. Kidneys. The kidneys remove waste products and excess water from the blood to form urine. Question number 189. Which gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere during photosynthesis? A. Oxygen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Nitrogen. Correct answer B. Carbon dioxide. Plants use carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight to make food and release oxygen. Question number 190. Which natural disaster involves a sudden shaking of the ground? A. Tsunami, B. Earthquake, C. Tornado. Correct answer B. Earthquake. Earthquakes happen when energy stored in Earth's crust is suddenly released. Question number 191. What is the main function of the respiratory system? A. Break down food, B. Exchange gases, C. Pump blood. Correct answer B. Exchange gases. The respiratory system brings oxygen into the body and removes carbon dioxide through breathing. Question number 192. Which blood cells help defend the body against infections? A. Red blood cells, B. Platelets, C. White blood cells. Correct answer C. White blood cells. White blood cells are part of the immune system and help fight bacteria, viruses, and other pathogens. Question number 193. Which planet has the most moons in our solar system? A. Jupiter, B. Saturn, C. Uranus. Correct answer B. Saturn. Saturn currently holds the record with over 80 confirmed moons orbiting it. Question number 194. Which organ produces bile in the human body? A. Stomach, B. Liver, C. Gallbladder. Correct answer B. Liver. The liver produces bile, which helps break down fats during digestion. Question number 195. Which part of the atom carries a positive charge? A. Electron, B. Proton, C. Neutron. Correct answer B. Protons are positively charged particles found in the nucleus of an atom. Question number 196. Which vitamin helps with blood clotting? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin K, C. Vitamin D. Correct answer B. Vitamin K. Vitamin K plays a vital role in blood clotting, preventing excessive bleeding. Question number 197. Which process turns a liquid into a solid? Melting, B. Freezing, C. Condensation. Correct answer B. Freezing. Freezing happens when the temperature drops low enough for a liquid to become solid. Question number 198. What is the largest organ in the human body? A. Heart, B. Liver, C. Skin. Correct answer C. Skin. The skin is the body's largest organ, protecting against harmful microbes, regulating temperature, and sensing touch. Question number 199. Which natural process forms sedimentary rocks? A. Cooling of lava, B. Layers of sediment compacting over time, C. High pressure and heat. Correct answer B. Layers of sediment compacting over time. Sedimentary rocks form when layers of sand, silt, or clay are compressed and cemented together. Question number 200. Which gas is essential for human respiration? A. Nitrogen, B. Carbon dioxide, C. Oxygen. Correct answer C. Oxygen. Oxygen is crucial for cellular respiration, providing the energy your body needs to function. Question number 201. Which planet is closest to the Sun? A. Venus, B. Mercury, C. Mars. Correct answer B. Mercury. Mercury is the closest planet to the Sun with a very short orbit of just 88 Earth days. Question number 202. Which part of the human brain controls breathing and heartbeat? A. Cerebrum, B. Cerebellum, C. Medulla oblongata. Correct answer C. Medulla oblongata. The medulla controls vital involuntary functions like breathing and heart rate. Question number 203. Which organ is primarily responsible for detoxifying harmful substances in the body? A. Kidney, B. Liver, C. Pancreas. Correct answer B. Liver. The liver filters toxins from the blood and processes chemicals, making it the body's main detox organ. Question number 204. Which blood vessels carry blood away from the heart? A. Veins. B. Capillaries. C. Arteries. Correct answer C. Arteries. Arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from the heart to the body. Question number 205. Which layer of the earth is composed mainly of molten rock? A. Crust. B. Mantle. C. Core. Correct answer B. Mantle. The mantle lies beneath the crust and is made of semi-molten rock that moves slowly. Question number 206. Which vitamin is produced when your skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin D. C. Vitamin C. Correct answer B. Vitamin D. Sunlight triggers the production of vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium for strong bones. Question number 207. What is the most abundant element in the Earth's crust? A. Oxygen. Silicon. C. Iron. Correct answer A. Oxygen. Oxygen makes up nearly half of the Earth's crust by weight, mostly in combination with other elements. Question number 208. Which part of the cell is known as the powerhouse? A. Nucleus. B. Ribosome. C. Mitochondria. Correct answer C. Mitochondria. Mitochondria generate energy for the cell through cellular respiration. Question number 209. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves? A. Photosynthesis. B. Respiration. C. Transpiration. Correct answer C. Transpiration. Transpiration is the process where water evaporates from the leaf surface, helping regulate temperature and nutrient flow. Question number 210. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect and global warming? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. Correct answer C. Carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide traps heat in the Earth's atmosphere, contributing to the greenhouse effect. Question number 211. What is the main gas we inhale during breathing? A. Carbon dioxide. B. Nitrogen. C. Oxygen. Correct answer C. Oxygen. Oxygen is essential for cellular respiration, allowing the body to produce energy. Question number 212. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? A. Liver. B. Pancreas. C. Kidney. Correct answer pancreas. The pancreas produces insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. Question number 213. Which organelle controls the cell's activities? A. Nucleus. B. Mitochondria. C. Ribosome. Correct answer A. Nucleus. The nucleus acts as the control center of the cell, storing genetic material and directing functions. Question number 214. What is the primary component of the sun? A. Helium. B. Hydrogen. C. Oxygen. Correct answer B. Hydrogen. The sun is mostly made of hydrogen, which fuses into helium to release energy. Question number 215. Which part of the plant anchors it into the soil and absorbs water? A. Stem. B. Roots. C. Leaves. Correct answer B. Roots. Roots hold the plant in place and take in water and minerals from the soil. Question number 216. Which human body system includes the heart and blood vessels? A. Digestive system. B. Circulatory system. C. Nervous system. Correct answer circulatory system. The circulatory system transports oxygen, nutrients, and waste through blood circulation. Question number 217. Which scientist developed the three laws of motion? A. Albert Einstein. B. Isaac Newton. C. Galileo Galilei. Correct answer B. Isaac Newton. Newton's three laws of motion describe the relationship between objects and the forces acting on them. Question number 218. What is the boiling point of water at sea level in Celsius? A. 0 degrees. B. 50 degrees. C. 100 degrees C. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. 200 is 100 degrees at 2 at standard atmospheric pressure. And number 2, routine. What is the basic unit of all living things? A. Atom. B. Cell. C. Organ. Correct answer B. Cell. The cell is the smallest structural and functional unit of life in all organisms. Question number 220. Which organ filters blood and removes waste to form urine? A. Heart. B. Kidney. C. Stomach. Correct answer B. Kidney. The kidneys remove toxins and excess water from the blood, maintaining balance in the body. Question 221. Which of the following is the main source of energy for the Earth? A. The moon. B. The sun. C. The oceans. Correct answer B. The sun. Explanation. The sun provides heat and light energy that powers weather, photosynthesis, and life on Earth. Question 222. What is the basic unit of life? A. Atom. B. Cell. C. Organ. Correct answer B. Cell. Explanation. Cells are the smallest structural and functional units of living organisms. Question 223. Which part of the plant is mainly responsible for photosynthesis? A. Roots. B. Stems. C. Leaves. Correct answer, C. Leaves. Explanation. Leaves contain chlorophyll and capture sunlight to make food through photosynthesis. Question 224. Which of the following is a renewable source of energy? A. Coal, wind, C. Natural gas. Correct answer, B. Wind. Explanation. Wind is a renewable energy source because it is naturally replenished and doesn't run out. Question 225. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? A. Stomach, B. Pancreas, C. Liver. Correct answer, B. Pancreas. Explanation. The pancreas releases insulin, which helps regulate blood sugar levels. Question 226. Which state of matter has a definite volume but no definite shape? A. Solid, B. Liquid, C. Gas. Correct answer. Explanation. Liquids take the shape of their container but maintain a fixed volume. Question 227. What is the main purpose of the respiratory system? A. Break down food, B. Circulate blood, C. Exchange gases. Correct answer, C. Exchange gases. Explanation. The respiratory system brings in oxygen and removes carbon dioxide from the body. Question 228. Which layer of Earth is made of solid iron and nickel? A. Mantle, B. Outer core, C. Inner core. Correct answer, C. Inner core. Explanation. Earth's inner core is solid and made primarily of iron and nickel due to extreme pressure. Question 229. What is the process by which plants lose water through their leaves? A. Photosynthesis, B. Transpiration, C. Evaporation. Correct answer, B. Transpiration. Explanation. Transpiration is the release of water vapor from plant leaves into the air. Question 230. Which vitamin is produced when the skin is exposed to sunlight? A. Vitamin A, B. Vitamin D, C. Vitamin C. Correct answer, B. Vitamin D. Explanation. The skin produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight, which helps in calcium absorption and bone health. Question 231. Which gas is essential for human respiration? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Oxygen, C. Nitrogen. Correct answer, B. Oxygen. Explanation. Humans need oxygen to produce energy through cellular respiration. Question 232. What is the primary function of red blood cells? A. Fight infections, B. Carry oxygen, C. Produce hormones. Correct answer, B. Carry oxygen. Explanation. Red blood cells contain hemoglobin, which binds to oxygen and transports it throughout the body. Question 233. Which of the following is not a planet in our solar system? A. Mars, B. Pluto, C. Neptune. Correct answer, Pluto. Explanation. Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet in 2006 and is no longer considered one of the main planets. Question 234. What is the main organ responsible for pumping blood in the human body? A. Lungs, B. Brain, C. Heart. Correct answer, C. Heart. Explanation. The heart pumps blood through the circulatory system, supplying oxygen and nutrients to the body. Question 235. Which part of the plant absorbs water and minerals from the soil? A. Stem, B. Leaves, C. Roots. Correct answer, C. Roots. Explanation. Roots anchor the plant and absorb essential nutrients and water from the soil. Which of the following best describes evaporation? A. Water turning into ice, B. Liquid water turning into vapor, C. Ice turning into water. Correct answer, B. Liquid water turning into vapor. Explanation. Evaporation occurs when water gains heat and changes from a liquid to a gas. Question 237. Which planet is known as the red planet? A. Jupiter, B. Venus, C. Mars. Correct answer, C. Mars. Explanation. Mars is called the red planet because of its iron oxide-rich soil, which gives it a reddish color. Question 238. What type of energy is stored in food and fuel? A. Kinetic energy, B. Chemical energy, C. Thermal energy. Correct answer, B. Chemical energy. Explanation. Food and fuel contain chemical energy that can be released during reactions, like digestion or combustion. Question 239. What is the outermost layer of the Earth called? A. Mantle, B. Core, C. Crust. Correct answer, C. Crust. Explanation. The Earth's crust is thin, outermost solid layer where we live. Question 240. Which system in the human body is responsible for transporting blood? A. Digestive system, B. Circulatory system, C. Nervous system. Correct answer, B. Circulatory system. Explanation. The circulatory system moves blood, nutrients, and oxygen throughout the body via the heart and blood vessels. Question 241. Which process do plants use to make their own food? A. Respiration, B. Photosynthesis, C. Fermentation. Correct answer, photosynthesis. Explanation. Plants use sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to make food, glucose, through photosynthesis. Question 242. What is the main source of energy for Earth's weather and climate? A, the moon, B, the sun, C, the oceans. Correct answer, B, the sun. Explanation: the sun provides energy that drives atmospheric circulation, ocean currents, and weather patterns. Question 243. Which blood cells help fight infections in the human body? A, red blood cells, B, white blood cells, C, platelets. Correct answer, B, white blood cells. Explanation: white blood cells defend the body against pathogens like bacteria and viruses. Question 244. What type of celestial object is the sun? A, planet, B, moon, C, star. Correct answer, C, star. Explanation: the sun is a medium-sized star composed mostly of hydrogen and helium, producing light and heat through nuclear fusion. Question 245. Which of the following is an example of a physical change? A, burning wood, B, rusting iron, C, melting ice. Correct answer, C, melting ice. Explanation: melting ice changes the state from solid to liquid, but the chemical composition remains the same. Question 246. What gas do humans exhale after respiration? A, oxygen, B, nitrogen, C, carbon dioxide. Correct answer, C, carbon dioxide. Explanation: the human body exhales carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular respiration. Question 47. Which planet is closest to the sun? A, Venus, B, Mercury, C, Earth. Correct answer, B, Mercury. Explanation: Mercury is the closest planet to the sun and has the shortest orbital period. Question 248. What is the main function of the human digestive system? A, pump blood, B, break down food, C, control body temperature. Correct answer, B, break down food. Explanation: the digestive system breaks down food into nutrients that the body can absorb and use for energy. Question 249. Which natural phenomenon is caused by the movement of tectonic plates? A, rainfall, B, earthquakes, C, wind. Correct answer, B. Explanation: earthquakes occur when tectonic plates shift and release energy in the Earth's crust. Question 250. Which part of the human brain controls balance and coordination? A, cerebrum, B, cerebellum, C, brainstem. Correct answer, B, cerebellum. Explanation: the cerebellum is responsible for maintaining posture, balance, and coordinating voluntary movements. And that brings us to the end of this powerful ASVAB General Science practice session. If you stayed with us till the end, give yourself a big pat on the back. Every single question you just went through is designed to sharpen your mind, build your confidence, and bring you one step closer to crushing the ASVAB and achieving your dream career in the military. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It's built through consistent practice, smart preparation, and staying motivated even when it gets tough. Most students skip the hard part, but you didn't. That's what sets you apart. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video. It really helps us grow. Share this with your friends, classmates, or anyone else who's preparing for the ASVAB. Let's grow together as a strong community. And of course, subscribe to ASVAB Mentor so you never miss upcoming practice tests, tips, and strategies. Also, join our WhatsApp channel for daily quizzes, study reminders, and exclusive updates. The link is in the channel bio. This is your moment. Keep going. I'll see you in the next practice video. Let's keep leveling up together.